Entering your time in the HRIS. Let's look at how to enter your time in your timesheet. When you first access your timesheet, there are two actions you want to do. First, make sure that it is showing for your current pay period up in the date selection range. Once you have established that it is on the current pay period, you will also need to open your timesheet using that Open Timesheet button right underneath where it says Timesheet Detail. Once those two things are complete, you can start entering your time. Using the drop-down menu under Pay Code, select the appropriate pay code for your time. To add a project code, click in the blank space under the project column and a magnifying glass will appear. To change an existing project code, click on the project code you have listed and the magnifying glass will appear as well. Use that magnifying glass to see your options for project codes and select from the drop-down list. Please note that the project code Z should be used for paid time off. Once you have selected your project code, navigate to the right of the timesheet to find the day and time for which you want to enter time. Add the hours you will be charging to that pay code and project combination. If you need to charge your time to more than one project code, use the plus sign at the end of the table in the upper right corner to add more lines. Then go ahead and select your pay code again. Click under the project column to select your project. Scroll to the right to select the day and time for which you are entering hours and enter your hours. Continue to do this until you have entered all of your hours for that day using all the necessary pay codes. Once you've entered all your time for the day, click on the Save button at the top left of your timesheet. At the end of the entire pay period, you'll click on the Submit button. So remember, save every day and submit once at the end of the pay period. Let's take a look at how to make changes to your timesheet. If you realize that after you have filled out your timesheet, but before you have saved it, that the pay codes and the projects maybe you've selected is inaccurate, you can go ahead and click on the Cancel button to clear out time entry since it was last saved. But what happens after you've already saved your time and you need to go back and change it? In order to do this, you go find the hours you would like to change, make the changes in the text box, and then click on the pencil icon to the right of the hours. A pop-up box will appear asking you to enter a comment for why you are editing your recorded hours. After you enter the comment, click on the Confirm button, and then you can go ahead and save your timesheet yet again. You have successfully entered your time into the HRIS.